9999999 divided by 99. Here 99 is a divisor, so we need multiplication table of 99. 99 times 0, 99 times 1 equal to 99. 99 times 2 equal to 198. You can easily find out the multiplication table of 99 by adding 99. 0 plus 99, 99. 99 plus 99, 199. That's why, right? 99 goes into this 9 how many times? Since it is less than 99, so 0 times. 0 times 99, 0. Subtract 9. Bring down this 9. Now you have 99. 99 goes into 99 how many times? 99 goes into 99 1 times. 1 times 99, 99, subtract 0. Bring down this 9. 99 goes into 09 means 9. How many times? 1 time, 0 times, as 9 is less than 99. 0 times 99, 0. Subtract, you are getting 9. Bring down this 9. So 99 goes into 99 how many times? Of course, 1 time. Write 1 over this 9. 1 times 99, again 99. Subtract 0. Bring down this 9. Now you have 09 means 9. 99 goes into 9 how many times? 0 times, as 9 is less than 99. 0 times. 0 times 99, 0. Subtract, you are getting 9. Bring down this 9. Again we are getting 99. So 99 goes into 99 how many times? 1 times. Write 1. 1 times 99, 99. Subtract, you are getting 0. Bring down this last 9. So we have gotten 09. 99 goes into 09 means 9. How many times? 0 times, as 9 is less than 99. So write 0. 0 times 99, 0. If you subtract, you are getting 9. So 9 is your remainder. So our answer is this remainder is remainder 9. This 0 don't have any value. So just place a comma after 3 digit. So 1000, 1000, 100, 101,000, 101,010. Remainder 9 is our answer. But if you want to write answer in decimal, then you need to continue uh, with more steps. But I would like to answer with remainder, so this is the answer.